Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Camo Studio on OmeTV. First, open the Microsoft Store and install Camo Studio. I have already installed it, so I am going to open it now. After that, I will connect my phone to Camo Studio. Now, I will minimize it and open my browser. Then I will go to OmeTV. As you can see, it only shows my real webcam. And there is no option to select the Camo camera. To fix this, minimize your browser and right click on this PC. Now click on Manage, then go to the Device Manager. In here, find your real webcam and disable it. After that, go back to your browser and refresh the page. Now you will see the option to select Camo. Now select it and you are all done. I hope this video helps you, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.